everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, welcome to our class day. So, before we officially start, so please rise for our leader. So, let's bow down our head. Welcome to our day one, bread and pastry training production, NC2. So, again, welcome to King Thomas Nerden Academy INC Training Center. This ko ay 433549. So, here is the philosophy, vision, mission, goals, objectives, and core values, which includes commitment to growth and excellence, respect for creation, passion for social responsibility, patriotism to country and local communities. I am your bread and pastry NC2 trainer. My name is Presi Corte Ortia. So I am pleased to welcome you to this session. So here is the competency-based training or CBT, which will emphasize you as a learner. Then principle of competency-based training. So the role of a trainer and a trainee. We will justify the results of we will conducting our pre-test later. So we will justify you if you are competent or not competent. So first, to gauge your current learning, I will give you short pre-test that will just remind you of what you have learned on bread and pastry production. So this is not, this will just your part of the assessment process. You will answer this for about 2 minutes. So now, after the pre-test, we will have a quick survey. Please read and fill out a question about learning needs and characteristics. Thank you. So now, let's familiarize our workshop. the laboratory room wherein we conduct our baking and all about the this is the equipment area. Next will be the quality control area, which the learning resources. Of course, the comfort room, or the wash area.